I invested 10,000 in stocks picked by ChatGPT. But wait, where did I even get that money? I trained ChatGPT with the proper strategy, not just a prompt. But in the end, did I make money? Let's see. Chalo. It all started on Saturday, April 5th. My sister called me and she said, I'll send 15,000, you invest in stocks. This wasn't usual. For the first time, she trusted me and she gave her money. I had just 3 months to prove myself. I felt responsible. This wasn't a play game. This was real. And I have to invest wisely. But the timing, it wasn't great at all. The global headlines were chaotic and Trump's tariff was hitting hard and the market was falling. Still, I saw this as a buy the dip opportunity. I didn't wanted to guess. I followed top-down approach. For the people who don't know what is top-down approach, in order to invest, we first check global factors, later country's economy, and the sectors which will perform based on the country's economy, and the stocks which are performing in that sector. So this is the top-down approach. So globally, it was Trump's tariff, and I thought it was temporary. So it was an opportunity to buy a dip. And when it comes to Indian economy, I considered inflation as a factor. And in India, the inflation rate was normal. That means the interest rates are low. So what happens if the interest rates are low? When the interest rates are cheaper, people tend to take loans and buy cars, houses, and some luxury items. And as a service based country, India benefits with the global exports. And this is called economic cycle. So I system prompted ChatGPT to consider all these things. Top down approach, look at inflation data, track RSI indicator, and RSI indicator was at 30, which means there is a chance of rebound. Then I prompted it to pick the sectors based on the inflation. It picked sectors like tech, bank, real estate, and all these things which are listed here. So in this list, there are even defensive sectors. Then I set it to choose stocks based on these things. PEG ratio and the score which is here, I couldn't pronounce this. So basically this is used by fund managers, expert fund managers in order to check the performance of the stock. Some stocks were expensive, so it rebalanced and mixed with individual stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. It even gave me a score. The score was 9 out of 10 and also suggested me on how to get 10 on 10 by allocating 15,000 funds. I invested 10,000 immediately next day, keeping 5,000 for rotation. It was expected to give 8% profit within 2 to 3 months, but here is what happened. Thanks to the dip caused by Trump's tariff and fast market recovery, I made 10% profit in 10 days. So the 10% in 10,000 is 1,000 rupees. Of course, the figure is very low, but within 10 days, 10% is a huge amount. I need to mention this, not every stock gave me profit. Some stocks underperformed too. And remember, even with a strong system, sometimes global cues can change everything, especially in short-term investment. But for now, this strategy worked. My sister is happy and I learned something powerful. With the right prompt, AI can guide you, but your thinking defines the outcome.